Geographical introduction of Nepal. So today we are going to study geographical introduction of Nepal. So the first topic is geographical locations. So let us begin the geographical location. Nepal is a landlocked country located in the South Asia. It lies between the latitude of 26 degree 22 minute to 30 degree 27 minute north and longitude of 80 degree 4 minute to 88 degree 12 minute east. Nepal occupies 0.03 of the total land of the world and 0.3 of the Asia and 3% of the South Asia. Nepal lies between the two giant countries of the Asia, that is India and China. It is about 1127 km away from the sea, that is, or Bay of Bengal. The total area of the land is 1,47,181 square kilometer, and if you are talking in square mile, then it will be 56,827 square miles. The average length of the Nepal from east to west is 885 kilometers and width of the north to south. Width from north to south will be 193 kilometers. Nepal is surrounded by the state of India in the south, west and east. Bihar and Uttar Pradesh is in south, Uttarakhand in the west, West Bengal and Sikkim in the east, and by Tibet, the autonomous region of the China in the north. Nepal Standard Time is determined on the basis of longitude, that is 86 degree 15 minute east, that passes through the Mount Gauri Shankar line in the Dolkha district. The time of Nepal is 5 hours 45 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). The time was introduced in Nepal from Baisakh 1 2042 BS. Vaisakh 1 2042 BS. Out of the 14 higher mountains in the world, which are over 8,000 meters, 8 lie in the Nepal. There are more than 113 peaks in the Nepal, which are 6,000 meters and over. There are approximately 301 such peaks in Mustan area only. There are big rivers such as Kosi, Gandaki, Karnali, and beautiful lakes such as Rara, Fewa, Gosaikunda in Nepal, along with the Himalayas. Tropical, mesothermal, microthermal, and taiga and tundra climates are found in the Nepal because of the diversified topography, and the wide difference in the climate and weather. The altitude. The altitudinal difference in the Nepal's geophysical landscape has created a geographical differences. Nepal has been recognized in the world as the land of Mount Everest, birthplace of Gautam Buddha, and the country of third pole, and also as the country of unique flag.